If you're looking to sell your home, but you're really worried about how much you're gonna have to pay in taxes, let's chat a little bit about capital gains and some things that you can do to mitigate that huge expense that might be looming for you. So essentially, capital gains is if you sell your home for more than what you paid for it, the government's gonna tax you on that. But again, let's talk about the top 3 ways that you could actually lessen your taxes. So the first and number 1 thing is make sure you track all of your improvements. If you did a new roof or a kitchen remodel, that's gonna lower your tax basis. So add everything up and that's gonna come off the top. So that's number 1 thing. Number 2, you might be doing a 1031 exchange if you're not living in the home and it's a rental property. If you sell the home, you can roll that money over to buy a new investment property, and then you're not gonna have to be subject to any capital gains for that particular transaction. Eventually, when you do sell, they'll catch up all at once, but for that particular transaction, that mitigates the temporary capital gains. And the third thing is if you are living in the property for 2 out of the 5 years, the big misnomer is that you have to live consecutively. You don't. If you can document that you've lived in 2 years out of the 5 years, not even all at the same time, then you meet the exclusion for if you're single up to $250,000 cost basis reduction or $500,000 for a married couple. So all those things they really do minimize. I've had a lot of clients pay a lot less in taxes than they ever thought that they would, just by keeping track of the improvements, making sure that they've lived in the property for 2 out of the 5 years, or rolling it to an exchange. So I highly advise for you to get with your CPA. If you know eventually you're gonna sell the home, start strategizing now. If you're looking at selling currently and you need a CPA, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to connect you with some amazing professionals that can help mitigate that tax. So I'm Audrey with the Hutton Mortgage team, always here to try to make mortgages fun and make it so that we can help you reduce the taxes that you pay.